Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we'll be learning about HTML links and how we can use them to link to different pages on our website and also on the web. So the first thing we're going to do before we get started is to clear this file. Then you can change this title to HTML links. Now in HTML, to create a new link you use the anchor tag, which is the A tag. So this is how to create a new link in HTML. Now this attribute is very important because that's what actually makes this anchor tag work the way we need it to. Now this href stands for hyperlink reference. Now this is where you put the name of the site or file that you're trying to link to. So the first thing we're going to do is to try and link to a site on the internet. So the first site that we'll be linking to is the Google homepage. So to do that, just type in the web address for Google's homepage, which is https then www.google.com. Then in the anchor brackets you can now put in a text that says click here to go to Google's homepage. Okay, so save this and refresh your page. Now you should see a link. When you click on that link, you can see now that we just got redirected to Google's homepage from our web page. Now if you notice, we get redirected in our same web page, but there's a way to do it that when the user clicks on this link, the web page will be opened in a new tab. Now by a new tab I mean when the user clicks this, the tab will be opened in a new one while preserving your own website. Now to do that in HTML, we add the target attribute to the anchor tag. Now in the target attribute we use the underscore blank. Now when we save this and refresh this page, anytime the user clicks on this link, as you can see, the web page was opened in a new tab and does not reload yours. So that's a very useful thing to do when you're trying to open external links in your website. So now the next thing we'll be looking at is how we can link to a file on our current website. Now if I open my file structure here, you can see that I have two files here. So the file that I'll be linking to is the hello world.html that we created in the first video. So if you remember, to create a new anchor tag, you just type in A, then let's first of all add the link, click here. Now linking to a file on your own website is different from linking to an external website. Now to do that, to link to a file on your own website, all you just need to do is to type in that file location, and currently this file is located in the same folder as my web page. So all I just need to do is type in hello world.html. So hello world.html, and I save this and refresh. You'll see if okay, let's add a line break here so they can be on different lines. Okay, so if I click here now, you'll see I'll be redirected to hello world.html. So hello world.html just says hello world. As you can see, I got redirected to hello world.html. You can see it in the URL here. Okay, and if you also want this to open up in a new page, in a new tab for whatever reason, all you just need to do is to add the same target attributes with underscore blank. When I save this and refresh, clicking this link will take me to a new tab. Now, just like most HTML elements, the anchor tag can actually take different tags inside it. So one way we can test that is by using an image. So then just put this in paragraph tags to have them on different lines. Okay. So we're going to create a new anchor tag, and this time we're going to put an image inside it. Now if you remember from the images video, to create a new image we use the img tag. So the src, I have an image downloaded here, so I'll just put that in. So sample image.jpg, then for the alt I can just put image1. Then let's have this also linked to our hello world file. Let's save this and refresh. Now you can see our image here. If we click on this image, we should be redirected to hello world.html. So we just got redirected. So that's how we can do it. Now the last thing that I'm going to be showing is how you can link to different sections on a specific web page. So let's say on this web page I want to go to different sections. Let's see how I can do that. So first of all, let's have multiple images on this web page, so we can have a long page. Okay, let's save this and refresh. Okay, so now down here, let's create a new link that says go to top. So now let's say we want this link to redirect us back to the top, but ideally we don't want to reload this web page. Now to do that, you first of all have to give a particular section on this your website an ID, and for going to top, that's ideally the first section in your web page. So I'm going to this first text here and give it an ID of top. Now in your web pages, always make sure that an ID is used only once. So as I've used the ID of top, I can't reuse it in this web page again in this file. So if I want to link to this section, all I need to do is go to the href and put in the hash character, and to find that on my keyboard it's shift 3. It may differ on your own keyboard, but just get the hash character and put in the ID. So all this just does is the hash represents ID, then top is the ID value. So when I save this, refresh this page and click on go to top, you can see that we got redirected to the top of the page. So just click here to go to Google's homepage. And if you look at the reload button, the page doesn't get reloaded. So that's how we can do that. And let's say we want to link to this third image from the bottom or from anywhere in this page. All you have to do is do the same trick. Let's create a new link and say go to the third image. So all we have to do is to give this an ID of, you can give it an ID of anything, third image, but just make sure that the ID is unique, which means it has not been used anywhere in that page. So I just copy this ID and put it in this href attribute, but always make sure that it's followed by that a hashtag is always before the ID if you're trying to link to that ID on your web page. So let's refresh this page. If I click go to the third image, you should be redirected to the third image. You can see now we have the third image. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you've seen how you can link up multiple files in HTML. Now if you want to create a website, you can just have different files and put links in each file to navigate to one another. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we'll be looking at HTML entities, and I hope to see you in that video. Bye for now.